How to use products in Pipedrive. Using the products feature in Pipedrive lets you create a catalog of your offerings, whether physical goods or services, and link them directly to deals for better tracking, reporting, and forecasting. So here's how you can do it. Click on the product icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then from here, go ahead and click on this plus product icon at the top left corner of your screen. So in here, you need to fill in the key details such as the name, unit prices, description, category, product code, tax, unit owner, and visibility. You can also import it from your existing CSV or Excel file. Now, you can also add images for a visual reference. Now, click on Save once you've created the product. And then when creating or editing a deal, scroll to the product section and then click on Add Product and choose from your catalog. Set the quantity, discount, and price per unit. This helps calculate deal value automatically. Use the list view to see all products and filter by category, owner, or custom fields. Bulk edit by selecting multiple products and using the side panel. Delete products using the trash icon, and in the product detail view, click on More Actions and customize fields and add custom fields like SKU, supplier, or internal notes. Click on the Followers button to assign team members who should track updates on specific products. And that is how you can simply use products in Pipedrive. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.